Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue pie topping. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on 3 large egg whites. Make sure they are at room temperature, as this helps them whip up to their fullest potential. It's crucial that your mixing bowl and beaters are perfectly clean and free of any grease, which can prevent the whites from stiffening. Adding a small pinch of cream of tartar now will also aid in stabilizing the meringue. Now it's time to whip those egg whites. Using an electric mixer, start on a medium speed. You'll want to beat them until they reach the soft peak stage. This typically takes around 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your mixer. When you lift the beaters, the peaks should hold their shape but gently curl over at the very tip. This is the perfect consistency before adding sugar. Once you have soft peaks, it's time to sweeten your meringue. Gradually add 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat the mixture. This slow addition helps the sugar dissolve properly. Keep beating on medium-high speed until the meringue forms stiff, glossy peaks. When you lift the beaters, the peaks should stand straight up, indicating it's ready for your pie. Finally, it's time to finish your delicious pie. Carefully spread the stiff meringue evenly over your warm pie filling, making sure to seal it to the crust edges to prevent shrinking. You can create decorative swirls with the back of a spoon. Bake your pie at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the meringue is beautifully golden brown. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below. Enjoy your perfect meringue pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.